Hey, what's up, mamas? It's Coach JVB here, fitness expert and busy mom, and today I'm going to show you how I make my spaghetti meat sauce for the entire family under 15 minutes. This is a delicious, healthy recipe, and I even hide some spinach in it. The kids will never know. Check it out. So I'm just browning the meat on high with some Himalayan sea salt. This is just to bring out the flavor of the meat. I'm gonna add some canned diced tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes too, but just for the sake of time, I'm gonna use these today. No added salt because I like to control the amount of salt with soy sauce and Himalayan sea salt in the sauce. So this is how it looks. I added the onions to the beef as well as the canned diced tomatoes. So now I'm gonna add some soy sauce, Lea Perrins, as well as some ketchup for some sweetness. And this is an organic ketchup you can get from Goodness Me, Whole Foods. So I used about 3/4 of the tomato sauce jar. This is how it looks. Now for my little trick, I chop up a bunch of spinach and add it to the sauce. If you have kids that won't eat vegetables or won't eat their greens, this is a great way to do it because it's basically gonna wilt down to nothing in the sauce. And as it cooks, it will disappear. So now I'm just gonna let it simmer for the whole day, and by the time Jackson gets home, it will be ready. I'll make some brown rice pasta noodles for him. These are a really great brand. He loves them, and they're completely gluten-free. So there you have it. And if you like this type of thing, if you like these healthy, delicious, and quick and easy recipes, please give me a like and comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon, guys.